Hello all, and welcome to KMT. Is your iPhone 11 running slow? Is it running slow since the latest update? In this video, we explain how you can speed up your iPhone and have it running like new again. Let's start with the basics. Reboot your iPhone. You'll be surprised by how many people actually don't reboot their iPhones. It definitely helps to give your iPhone a restart here and there. Now let's ensure you don't have too many applications open. Do this by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and closing up any applications you aren't using. Now scroll all the way to the left and you will notice a bunch of widgets that are there by default. These widgets update constantly and may be slowing down your iPhone. Once you are on the widget page, scroll to the bottom and hit Edit. Then go ahead and delete any widgets you don't need. Location services is another setting that may be causing slowness, especially if it's turned on for applications that don't necessarily need it turned on. Head over to Settings, Privacy, and Location Services. Here, turn off location services for applications you don't need to share your location with. If you're noticing that just the Safari web browser is slow, head over to Settings and scroll down until you find Safari. In the Safari options, scroll and hit Clear History and Web Data. This should help speed up Safari. Next, you can try to disable background applications for unnecessary applications. Head over to Settings, General Settings, Background App Refresh. Go in and disable apps you don't use often and stop them from running in the background. Of course, leave apps like Google Maps or Google Drive so they can work in the background to remain up to date. Also, ensure you have enough free storage space, as your iPhone requires you to have free space to run smoothly. It is recommended to have at least 1 GB of free space for best performance. Else, your iPhone may not have sufficient resources to perform optimally. You may not have noticed, but your iPhone has some animations turned on by default that can be observed when closing apps or switching in between apps. Go to Accessibility and Motion options and turn on Reduced Motion. This turns off some animations your iPhone uses and can slightly improve your iPhone speed. Now, if you have tried all the methods mentioned in this video and you still have no luck, as a last resort, we recommend you back up your iPhone and factory reset it. Thank you for watching KMT. If this video helped you out, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below.